we'll guide you through how to set up the Asana Jira integration. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Asana website. Log into your account if you aren't already. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Apps section to access integrations. In the search bar, type Jira and select the Asana for Jira integration option. You might need to authorize this action, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Click on Add to Asana to start setting up the integration. You'll be prompted to log into your Jira account, so go ahead and enter your Jira credentials. Once logged in, you'll be asked to allow Asana to access your Jira data. Approve this request to continue. Now, you have the option to choose which projects you want to sync between Asana and Jira. You can select specific projects or choose all available projects, depending on your needs. After selecting your projects, you can customize the field mappings to ensure that data is transferred accurately between the two platforms. This step is crucial if you have specific fields that need to be synced. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Save to finalize the integration. You should now see your Jira issues in Asana, and any updates you make in one platform will automatically reflect in the other. This integration helps streamline your project management process by keeping tasks and issues in sync. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.